In this video, we're going to talk about Virgin Galactic, trading under the symbol SPCE. The stock has been one of the most volatile ones to trade with so far in the year. For twice now, it has tried to challenge the $60 level, once in February and another time in early July. Virgin Galactic relies a lot on company fundamentals to attract interest of investors, along with the tide waves that takes all the growth stocks. For the most part, SPCE has been enjoying a bullish ride since the day it went public, with frequent stock price peaks and subsequent pullbacks, but overall, the stock has been rising. People look at the company and their fundamental assumption really is that somewhere in the future, probably, the potentials of interspace tours and later on, commercial interspace travels are going to be very important. If we get to that point, my belief is that the stock price of the company will look very different to where things are now, given how reactive the stock is when an update comes up. With that being said, let's talk about what recently happened with Virgin Galactic. So, once the euphoria of the FAA license is gone, there were two forces that are driving down the stock simultaneously. The first one is the market expectation. That is basically a self-fulfilling prophecy that suggests that stocks should be pulling back after skyrocketing up. It's most often true just by itself, but that layer of expectation and anticipation is also one of the reasons why this phenomenon is often amplified, because everyone would be dumping their shares at the same time. The second reason is the recent space tour organized by Blue Origin, a rival company. The reviews were pretty good, and the attention then shifted over to Jeff Bezos' company. This is why there is this mechanical decrease of stock price with Virgin Galactic. Looking forward, I think that the stock is near an area of value that is very close to the lows of this trend while staying bullish overall. And that Virgin Galactic maintained its bullish tendencies in the long term as well, probably because investors, generally speaking, believe that there is a good future for Virgin Galactic for what it tries to do and that it'll succeed doing so, regardless of the temporary stock fluctuations. So the question now is to determine whether Virgin Galactic is hitting its bottom or is it going to dip even lower. I think that without additional fundamental events, the current price point should be the bottom. However, there are material probabilities that the stock will go lower from the current price point onward. Mainly because usually we don't captivate exactly where the stock is going to rebound. It's often a bit lower than where we think that it's going to happen. And the reason why we know for sure that a bottom has occurred is because it's already behind us. So overall, my recommendation is to go for at least 5 to 10% of your portfolio in Virgin Galactic, but buy it in small batches over a few months. I think that the peaks that we saw in the past few weeks is something that is going to happen again in future, and that having a position in the stock is fundamentally beneficial. Thank you for watching. If you like my content, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.